When was it? When did it come out?
I want to say 2019.
Okay.
It's called Norbit. He played kind of like a nerd guy that was in a foster home and nobody wanted. He grew up with a female best friend, and then when the speaker came into the picture that was kind of bossy and ended up marrying her.
That's the dream.
Well, he really wanted to marry his best friend. He ended up in the movie. Well, I ain't gonna ruin it for you if you happen to see it. It's a good movie.
It's on Netflix.
Yep.